Get to know the new compact desktop Vertiv Liebert Lithium-Ion UPS. With battery backup and surge protection for your electronic devices. Protect devices from damage and data loss during power disturbances. Vertiv's lithium-ion batteries offer an 8 to 10-year lifespan, up to 3 times longer life than lead-acid batteries traditionally used in UPS devices. Compact and lightweight, it's space-saving, easy to set up, and can be installed in a variety of orientations. It can endure operating temperatures of up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for places with high temperature and limited airflow, like on a shelf space, in a cabinet, or placed aesthetically at your desk. Easily mute alarms by double-tapping the power button. Backed by a 5-year standard warranty and a $200,000 equipment protection policy, giving you peace of mind that your electronics will stay connected and protected. Environmentally friendly design. With 240 watts of capacity, 12 minutes of runtime at half load, and 3 minutes of runtime at full load, you can ensure all your critical electronics are protected from damage and data loss. Get the new Liebert Power-Ups Lithium, a better solution all around.